Motorola's Edge 50 Neo is expected to launch soon. Now leaks detailed renders of the device, giving us our best look at its 4 official colors: black, nautical blue, red and beige. We can see Edge 50 Neo will offer 3 cameras on its back, which are positioned in the same way as the recently launched Moto Edge 50. The Edge 50 Neo have a 50MP main cam, 10MP telephoto, 3x optical zoom, and a 13MP ultrawide, and 32MP front-facing camera. The handset sports a Gorilla Glass 3 protected 6.4-inch POL display with a 120Hz refresh rate. We expect to see the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 application processor. The device will have 2 configurations with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, or 12GB of RAM with 512GB of storage. If there's one disappointing spec, it is the 4,310 mAh battery capacity, which is a 14% decline from last year's. We expect the phone to be introduced sometime next month. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.